Hi guys, welcome back to Tesha's TV. Happy Sunday to you all. Today going to church. You have a little chores to do. Bless up and big up on yourself. So guys, today I am going to do some curry beef. If you're in a mind shop, you will think a curry good, so be careful. As I know say beef is so tricky for especially when in curry. You swear think a good. So guys, today big well it's raining from over the weekend, but still I put out a little content and stuff. I'm gonna bring out everything. Should in case me have to go run go in. Anyhow guys, I want to share this on my platform. It's a little sad story. I came across this post on my WhatsApp. I saw this little girl. She's in need of a surgery. She's gonna do a brain surgery. Everything costs money and stuff. So it's like come across me, and I was like, I'm going to share it um on my platform just to spread the word. So should in case anyone would like to assist her, then reach out to me personally, or if reach out to me, then I can share the number to you guys, or even just you look at prayers or anything. You understand? Because it could have been any one of us, child, cousin, sister. The name is she's just 13 years old. 13, yeah. I saw the picture, it was very touching. So, like myself, I've put aside a little token, which I'll show you then if it's really needed. Just to share with her. It's not much, but they say little is much when God is in it. So if you can't reach out financially, send up a praise, because God are the greatest of all times. But without the money, can't go get them surgeries that get done. Alright, so anyhow, I am going to start my beef before this rain come down. So I'm gonna bring out everything. Oh man, not even have my knife to cut up this, but put on the pot, catch cold stove. Yeah, not even had some could have got some. Alright, so put in your garlic. You can dice them up now to do this like that. And my beef already seasoned with some powder season, some blend season, and also some natural seasonings. I normally like put some natural seasoning on it first to let it cook with it, and then when it there for finish, I still at the same. That's it. Not take away the taste from the food, because I know what you do, and how you do it. So now I'm going to add in the beef. I want my neighbors to smell it. Alright, so when you put in the beef now, you don't just want to throw no water on it. Nobody watch it and then say, one day if it's a go cook or when no, nobody throw no water on it. Just cover your pot and let it go and simmer. So that I got spring it one water. You just take time and add in a little water until you get it tenderized and stuff. I not like pressure meat, period. Give a different taste. Slow cook is the best. So nobody cook on a rush. See? So we soon come back. Show no one. Okay, so I'm going to check on the beef. You see? Look how much water it spring. So now put in no water after you put in your beef in your pot, let it spring into one water and take time and cook. So you know say after that now and the water dried down, I'm just going to add just a little tip each and nobody come with no big mug, you know, and turn out the no, don't do it. Just a little tip and then cook guys. You know, one time I used to think say like you know one joke. One time like when we just start off cooking and me say me go cook. When me hear about beef and pork and them look at something there, me I say to myself, say no, say them make me it's hard for cook or then cook. So we used to start cooking them and stuff. You know me used to do? Like basically like having that throw this one sitting in water pan the come and start then it take long for cook. So me I go dash on whole heap of water because you need whole heap of water. So me I share now if say but I do it. But you know, over the time and experience and stuff, you know, it's like cooking in a my gene. So you know, say I gonna know what to do. So over a period of time, I come in and come in. But slow cook is the best. Whole heap of water, just make the food just taste like them. So take on a little time and do the do. Right? So any meat at all, anybody at all can cook it. But I say, oh, me can't cook this, that meat is too big for cook. No, 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 it's not too big. But me understand. Take on a little time. Tell the rain to come. Cause like me have to go maybe move but people you see though, when rain a fall and then outside I have outside kitchen. Oh no no no. But then people used to have like yeah, I feel have an outside kitchen with the zinc and everything. Yeah, so you don't really like with an outdoor like this. Unless maybe they sit on them back door with them cold stove. Cause me tell you say no boy. I miss them days. Hear me attack like me well. Hey, if you follow me, you know, I talk like say back then, but no, but hear about it, and it's so nice. So you know, guys, every video they fall yeah. We have to make people know say country me live in. Okay, so now I check on the beef and see. Alright, so can take a little water. Remember as I said before, not much. Just put a little. See, the cup not even half. Cover it back. Take time if you want to simmer down. Guys, oh, a plant. You may go about me. That's alive. Look, this is sweet pepper. You know, from when me card out I try catch the sweet pepper. You know, from when, but no, you see look a blossom. When I see one touchy, come closer further and look and see blossom then. You know one there? I will eat, you know. Hey, when this ready, we can go sell our sweet pepper. So look out for me I market. Me if I have pak chai. You remember me. There is some pak chai over there, okay, you know, so they rip up those ones before and cook them out and share them up and stuff. Always a plan. You know what I forgot to do? Start back with the farming. I love farming, you know. Love farming, go up on the farm, plant, clean up and everything. I love doing that so. I forgot to take on that too and vlog it also. So guys, now time to look back on the curry beef and see what I want. So this is like about my fifth time when I had water to it. You see it? And I feel it's a whole heap of water to cook this thing. Just take your time and slow cook, you know? So now it's coming on. I go cut up the seasonings them. Can put with this. They can simmer down, and then our curried beef will be ready. And what if people never know say beef can curry, you know? They always think like I just brown stew or beef say maybe if we can jerk beef. Anybody ever jerk beef before? Yeah. I don't know. You? Yeah. You jerk beef? Mikhail saying jerk beef already, so I don't know how true that is. So guys, stay tuned. Come back, put in the season them, and I'll show you that process. Guys, Mikhail just go buy ice cream. When all of the kids them go down there and say them and take up ice cream. Look when coming. And you're not gonna eat it, you know. But so you go when you have one pitney, you know that one pitney something they go come down. Let it taste, Mikhail. You like it? Blueberry ice cream. It's supposed to be nice. Taste some. It's good. Mm-hmm. The woman like Jamaica, you know. No, it ends in Jamaica. Of course. The Jamaicans. Nobody not make way. God. Yes, some God make way. I was in Jamaica in real life. Real life. We are Jamaican, don't? Yeah, come over yard. Get autographs. Guess I don't come here to get to the autograph. Okay. Alright. Okay guys, so you know normally would have them separated in dishes and stuff forth. But as I said the rain, so whenever they want to linger outside. So in this, we just put everything in a one. So I have in this a ginger, carrot, Irish onion, pepper, pimento seed, and I did not cut off any scallion, but you can add scallion to yours. And you know, if I've been watching me all along, last thing, my sweet pepper. So now I'm going to add all of this. Remember when I said before, you cut up some of the what you call it, the seasons them, the fresh vegetable before in the pot, and then after you da add back some of this the last. So nobody use up everything. Right, so now and then it look nice. I need a whole heap of water to go. You can add more carrot and more. Mommy love Irish. Love see Irish and something. Right, then I go add some more water to it and then make it simmer down. As we Jamaican so that say that simmer. So after the simmer down and the Irish and so cook with no long gravy, nothing, you know, it will nice. Then it's about ready to serve. Do some bungo rice and peas. A bungo rice and peas or bungo peas rice, whatever it is with this. I don't know it's the gungo. Nice with curry. Curry what? Bungo nice with curry goat, but do curry beef today. So stay tuned. I'll travel. Okay guys, so now it's time to check on our curry beef for the last time. Beef well nice, living goat. All that need right now are some white rice and a long glass of lemonade and you're good to go to sleep you all night. So man, take it off now. Press it on this. I'm gonna put the tablecloth here. And then you know my bell peppers, sweet pepper. I'm gonna just put it all over in it and let it simmer. Now I put it back on the fire, the steam after it cook. Give it about 8 or not even so long. I know so bell pepper can actually eat like that. So I'm gonna share my rice, come back, put this beside it. Oh, and actually as really promised, but I go show. So this is my little token. Actually, her name is Latanya. Latanya. Or I don't know if it's Latanya. So yes, Latanya, wishing you a speedy recovery. And remember, with God, anything is possible. So I know you'll get through this. We are all praying for you. And I know my YouTubers, my subscribers, they're going to pray for you also. So there you go. We're still your curry. That's a joke is with the beef. It's true. The curry beef. And then a whole heap of veg. Somebody have one piece lettuce. And I just put up some tomatoes. Find a carne in there. So look good still. Don't. Oh, it look like one piece more carrot. So hold on. I think you can take one next carrot. Alright. Alright there so. Okay guys, so continue to watching Tesha's TV and bless up and big up on yourself. Guys, please share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And subscribe guys. Subscribe and share it all over. Share, 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 share. So have yourself a wonderful Sunday. Bye.